When it comes to dryer vents, there's a little trick that can save you from hours of frustration. So check this out. I guarantee you're going to get a perfect connection each time. I was checking foam sealant along the rim joist when I spotted this. The dryer vent hose was torn. It makes the dryer less efficient, adds unwanted humidity into your home, and lint will become a problem. So while fixing it, I found something unexpected, an HVAC duct connector shoved inside the outside vent termination. The story here is that someone was trying to make the connection easier, because if you've ever worked with one of these dryer vent kits, it's like, how in the world are you supposed to get a 4-inch duct around a 4-inch duct? Didn't anybody think about that when they made this stupid thing? So come to find out, the real trick is simple. Crimp the end of the duct. With a $20 tool and 30 seconds of work, you make the hard duct end slightly smaller so the flex duct slides in perfectly. If you've been fighting with these ducts, try it once, you'll never go back.